Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit score using American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. Protecting your credit score is essential for maintaining your financial health. Using an American Express card can help you achieve this goal. First, request a credit report from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Review your credit reports for any errors or inaccuracies. Dispute any discrepancies you find immediately. Next, keep your credit utilization rate below 30%. This means only using a portion of your available credit. American Express provides tools to help you monitor your spending. Use the Amex app to track your purchases in real time. Set up account alerts for due dates and spending limits. Pay your bills on time to maintain a positive payment history. Consider automating your payments through the American Express platform. Regularly check your credit score through the American Express service. This allows you to monitor changes and take action if needed. Limit the number of new credit inquiries you make. Each hard inquiry can slightly lower your credit score. Use your American Express card responsibly. Avoid maxing out your credit limit and keep balances low. Consider utilizing features like the Pay Over Time option wisely. This helps manage larger purchases without harming your credit score. If you have multiple credit cards, consider consolidating your debt. This can simplify payments and potentially improve your credit utilization. Lastly, practice patience and consistency. Building and maintaining a good credit score takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.